gas is burning now. How would you rush up here?
Oh.
Gotta make sure you get it. It's pretty bad, dude. We just lit the dock on fire.
Alright. Well, the Black Pearl is sinking. That's not gasoline burning.
Nope. I hear.
Let's just stand right here. I'm gonna stand over here so I can actually see it.
Wow, guys.
You get a good video of this?
Yes.
That's tight.
That is crazy.
Oh, dude, we got greater video over here.
I hear it.
We don't have anything besides fireworks. Tomorrow we'll take videos of one with M80 firecrackers in it.
My barge.
Dude, we're not using your boat, dude.
Yes, we are. No, not towards the
Our
dock.
water bottles on the bottom are slowly melting.
Going towards the dock.
It's going down.
Yes, it
I
is.
think it's going down, guys.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna sink.
The heat on the bottles on the bottom is just blowing them
The
out.
dock is about to get caught on fire.
That thing's sweet.
Oh, that's awesome. Yep.
Okay.
Listen to the bottles on the bottom
Yeah.
blowing up.
That's awesome.
Oh, we got. So our frag bomb didn't go off. There's
Oh,
a
wow.
can of starting fluid in there.
A can started.
Holy crap!
Dude, too bad I jumped like a mile.
Evan, don't stand in the way.
It's all good till we get
Holy
in trouble.
crap!
If we get in trouble.
Oh, that was great. Guys, it's safe now. Everything's burnt off.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, that was awesome. You're like, too bad it didn't work.
I know.
Boom! Look at just the pieces go.
Oh, hon, I got zoom on my camera.
Dude, are you sure that the gas is worn off? Both gases?
Both?
Did you not just see that? Dude, there's something over here still smoldering. Yeah.
In the water.
In the water. Are you getting that? Just that little dot? Yeah, that's hilarious.
I can't see it.
Oh, it's like right over there on the right.
It's gone. Is that the wood? The frame?
Is it sinking?
Yep.
Oh.
We just lost our backbone too. Burnt through the duct tape on the middle and cut them. Evan?
No, it's like the Titanic.
I know, it's sinking.
That's awesome.
Yeah, but it looks freaking sweet.
I hear thousands of tiny little voices.
Too bad I'm shaking. Because I'm so cold.
That bomb blew a hole in the center.
That was awesome.
You see how high the thing was? Like,
I wonder if that came out on video because, dude, I jumped.
that hole, you remember that centerpiece we put in there?
Yeah.
It's blown in half.
Alright, guys.
You can see it shattered, not